Let's do this. This is Hilo.
I can feel that something's changing. Something that I should be saying. Something lying in between you and I. If I can only tell you that things been running through my head. If I can only tell you that sing. Gusto ko lang malaman mo na di dapat mag-alala. Dito lang ako hanggat kailangan mo. Pagod din ako, hindi mo lang alam na bilang tulad sa salita, baka makaramdam ka. Pag-ayos ka na, hindi na ako masasaktan. Pag-ayos ka na, hindi na ako gusto malaman mo, yeah. Gusto ko lang malaman mo na di dapat mag-alala. Dito lang ako hanggat kailangan mo.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Okay. Magbibigay ako ng sample kasi palagi itong nire-request sa akin. Bago ko kantahin yung last song ko. Try ko to, ha? Pero ano lang, verse and chorus lang. Okay lang ba? Sana may falsetto ako.
It's not a flower until they bloom. Like my first and living life the day I met you. Hate to think that humans have to die someday. 1,000 years won't do. No wonder I fell in love, even though I'm scared to love. Baby, I know the pain is unbearable. Sing, sa lagi kinamana, pinipining may salaman ka. You turn my lyrics into a bouquet. Kahit tela sining sa museo di naluluma. Pinipinig kong ginto hanggang kaluluwa. Ikaw na keep your shit all my life.
There you go. And for my last song po, sana magustuhan nyo.